Welcome to my channel, where passion meets power and history roars back to life on two wheels. Today we are diving deep into one of the most legendary motorcycles ever built, the Jawa 250. A bike that defined generations, captured hearts across continents, and continues to inspire riders even today. If you're someone who loves classic design, vintage performance, and the raw emotion of riding, then stay tuned because this story is pure nostalgia, mixed with timeless engineering. The Jawa 250 wasn't just a motorcycle, it was a revolution on wheels. Introduced by the Czech company Jawa Motors, this masterpiece quickly gained international fame for its reliability, power, and smooth ride. Back in the 1950s and 60s, when most motorcycles struggled to balance performance with practicality, the Jawa 250 came in like a storm. Powerful yet efficient, simple yet elegant. Riders instantly fell in love with its signature exhaust note, that deep thump which became music to the ears of every bike lover. Now let's talk about the design. The Jawa 250 had a classic teardrop fuel tank with chrome panels, a long single seat, and that unmistakable retro headlamp that gave it a bold personality. Even after decades, its timeless look continues to inspire modern retro bikes. It wasn't just built to ride, and it was built to be admired. Its balanced frame and aerodynamic design made it a smooth performer on long roads and mountain trails alike. Under the hood, the Jawa 250 packed a punch with its two-stroke single-cylinder 250cc engine, capable of delivering around 12 horsepower, which was quite impressive for its time. The gearbox was slick, the clutch was light, and the overall handling felt ahead of its era. Riders often said it felt like the bike understood them, a true companion on every journey. The performance, combined with its lightweight body, gave it great acceleration and top-end speed that rivaled even some larger bikes. But what made the Jawa 250 truly special wasn't just its specifications, it was its soul. This bike symbolized freedom. It carried soldiers, students, travelers, and dreamers through decades of change. In countries like India, the Jawa became a cultural icon. From the 1960s to the 1980s, owning a Jawa was a matter of pride, a statement of style and confidence. Even today, restored models and reissues remind us of that golden era, when motorcycles were built with heart. Fast forward to modern times, the spirit of the Jawa 250 is alive again. Jawa Motorcycles has made a grand comeback with new models inspired by this classic, blending retro looks with modern technology. But for purists, the original Jawa 250 remains unmatched, a true masterpiece that stands as a bridge between past and present. So, if you ever get the chance to see or ride one, remember, you're not just sitting on a machine, you're riding a piece of history, a legend that roared through time and still echoes in the hearts of bike lovers across the world. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more motorcycle stories, reviews, and classics reborn. This is your host from the Ride Center signing off, but the ride never ends. Stay tuned, stay passionate, and keep riding the legend, the iconic Jawa 250.